Hello children, welcome to the mathematics period. Children, in the last session, Reena Miss has started a new lesson, lesson number 6, numbers 10 to 20. In today's session also, we are continuing with the same lesson. In the last session, in the textbook, we have completed till page number 78, question number 6. Today, we will be taking from page number 79, question number 7. Before moving to question number 7, let us understand few points of comparing numbers. Children, we have already learned comparing numbers, that is more than and less than, in chapter number 1. Let us understand few more points. A two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. Children, when we compare two numbers, a two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. Next point is, to compare two-digit numbers, compare the tens place first. And if the tens place is the same, compare the ones place. So remembering these points, we will continue with the textbook writing. Let us solve question number 7. Write more or less in the boxes. First question is already given. Let us start with example B. 17 is dash than 12. Here these are both two-digit numbers. Now let's check the tens place first. In both the numbers and tens place, there is number 1, which is same. Hence we will check the numbers at ones place. So numbers are 7 and 2, and 7 is more than 2. Hence we can say that 17 is more than 12. Now next example, 20 is dash than 10. Here children, again if we compare the tens place, 2 is more than 1. Hence 20 is more than 10. You have to write word more, M-O-R-E, in the given box. Next, 13 is dash than 9. See children, here one number is two-digit, one number is one-digit number. And two-digit number is always bigger than one-digit number. Hence, 13 is more than 9. Yes. Next, 10 is dash than 13. Here, tell me children, 10 is less than or more than? Yes, 10 is less than 13. Let's move ahead. Little genius, put the correct sign more than or less than in the boxes. 2 tens dash 19. Children, 2 tens means 20. And 20 is more than 19. Hence we will put more than sign here. Next, 110 dash 110 3 ones. Now this we have learned in the last section. Children, 110 means number 10. And 110 3 ones means number 13. And number 10 is less than number 13. Hence we will put less than sign. Next, 110 9 ones dash 110 6 ones. Children, 110 9 ones means 19, and 110 6 ones means 16. Yes, now tell me children, 19 is less than or or more than 16? Yes, 19 is more than 16. Hence we will put the more than sign. Now let us move ahead. Question number 8. Put the correct sign more than or less than or equal to in the boxes. Here again, keeping in mind the rule of comparison, we have to solve the examples. First example is given. Now let us start with example B. The two numbers given are 10 and 15. In this, number 10 is less than 15. Hence we will put less than sign here. Next C. 16-6. Here again, 16 is a 2-digit number, 6 is a 1-digit number. Hence, 16 is more than 6. Next, D. 17 and 20. Now here, children, if we look at the tens places, we can say that number 17 is less than number 20. Yes. Next, number 13, number 11. Here, number 13 is more than number 11. Next, number 9 and number 19. Here, number 9 is less than number 19. As number 9 is 1-digit number, number 19 is 2-digit number. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Children, the remaining questions in last number 8 you have to solve as homework. Now let's see number 9. Write true or false. First question is given to us. Now next question B. 11 is less than 13. Yes, children. Is this the correct statement? Yes, 11 is less than 13. Hence we will write true in the given box. T-R-U-E, true we have to write. Next, example C. 16 is more than 20. Is this a correct statement, children? Look at the numbers 16 and 20. At tens place, 16 it's number 1. And tens place of number 20, it is number 2. So, 1 is less than 2 and 16 is less than 20. But here, more than sign is given. Hence, this is a false statement. Let us write F-A-L-S-E, false, in the given box. Next, D. 15 is less than 17. Yes, this is a correct statement. Hence, we will write true. Next, 19 is more than 14. Yes, children, 19 is more than 14. Hence, we will write true. Last is 18 is more than 15. Yes, when we compare these two numbers, children, we find that 18 is more than 15. Hence, we will write true. T-R-U-E, true. Let us move to the next question. Question number 10. Color the box with the bigger number red and the smaller number green. In this question, in each example, two numbers are given. We have to find out the bigger number and we have to color it red. And we have to color the smaller number with green color. So let us start. First example, number 7 and number 9. In this, children, number 7 is a smaller number. So we will color it with green color. Yes. And number 9 is bigger number. Hence we will color it with red color. Like this. Yes. Let's solve further examples like this. Example B, given numbers are 15 and 12. In this, number 15 is a bigger number. Hence we will color it with red color. And number 12 is smaller number. Hence we will color it with green color. Next example C, 6 and 14. Here number 6 is smaller number. So we will color it with green color. And number 14 is bigger number. Hence we will color it with red color. Yes. Let's see next example. D, 13 and 11. Here children, which is a bigger number? Yes, 13. So let us color number 13 with the red number. And we will color number 11 with green color. 13 with red color and 11 with green color. Next example, 18 and 20. Here, which is a smaller and which is a bigger number, children? Yes, 18 is the smaller number. Let's color it with green color. 20 is the bigger number. We'll color it with the red color. Next example, 10 and 16. Here, 10 is the smaller number. So let's color it with green. 16 is the bigger number. Let's color it with red color. Understood this? You have to solve further examples as homework. Let us see the next example. Question number 11. Color the box with the biggest number red and the smallest number green. Children, here in each example there are 3 numbers given, from which we have to find out the biggest number and have to color it with red, and the smallest number we have to color with green. Let us see first example. 11, 12 and 17. Here, which is the biggest number, children? Yes, number 17. Hence, we will give red color to number 17. And here, 11 is the smallest number. Hence, we will give green color to number 11. Next example B, 15, 7 and 16. When we compare these 3 numbers, children, which is the biggest number? Yes, 16. Hence, we will color 16 with red color. And which is the smallest number? Yes, 7. We'll color 7 with green color. Now let us take next example. Number 9, 13 and 10. Here, number 13 is biggest number. We'll color it with red color. And number 9 is smallest number. We will color it with green color. Next example, 18, 13, 14. Here, 18 is the biggest number. So we will color it with red. And 13 is the smallest number. We will color it with green. So, same way you will complete the further questions as homework. Now, let us see the next question. Question number 12. Color the box with the correct answer. Children, this question is based on the concept before, between and after numbers. We have learned this concept in chapter number 1. Yes, before number is the previous number of the given number. Then the next number of the given number is the after number, and the number in the middle of two numbers is the between numbers. Yes, so let us start solving the examples. Example A, 11 is before 12 or 10 or 9. Yes, 11 is before number 12. Hence we will color the box with number 12. Yes. Next example, B, 13 is after number 12, 14 or 11. Yes, 13 is after number 12. Hence we will color number 12 here. Next, 18 is before numbers 17, 16 or 19. Yes, it is before number 19. Hence we will color number 19. Understood this, children? Yes, you will solve next sums, remaining sums as homework. Let us move to the next question. Question number 13. Write the number that comes before, after or in between. Here we have to fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. First question, dash 17. Which is a before number? What comes before number 17, children? Yes, 16 comes before 17. Next, number 14, dash. Which number comes after 14? Number 15. Next, 11 dash 13. Here we have to find out the between number. Number 12 comes between 11 and 13. Next, 10 dash. Number 11 comes after number 10. Next example, dash 18. And number 17 comes before number 18. Next, 18 dash 20. Here number 19 comes between 18 and 20. So you have to complete this, children, by writing the correct numbers in the boxes. Let us move ahead. Question number 14. Fill in the boxes. Here we have to start counting from the first number and fill in the boxes. Let us see first question. 10. Then which number will come? Yes, 11. 12 is given. Then number 13, 14 and 15. Question number B. 13 is given. The next number is 14. Then next is 15. Next number comes 16, 17, then 18 and 19. Now example C. First number is 17. Which number will come after 17? Yes, 18, 19 and 20. Yes. Now remaining sums you will solve as homework. Let us move to the next question. Before moving to the next question, we will see backward counting. Children, do you see a picture of staircase? Yes, and there are numbers written on it. Now, let us go up on this staircase by counting the numbers. Number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now here we counted numbers from 10 to 14, that is from smallest number to biggest numbers. Now children, if we have to come down from this staircase and count the numbers, how will we do it? Yes, we will count like 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. Here we came down from the staircase by counting from biggest number to smallest number. That is called backward counting. And our further questions are based on this. Let us see the question number 15. Fill in the missing numbers. Here, starting from the first given number, we have to do the backward counting and fill in the blanks. Example A, 15, then 14, 13 is given, then 12, 11, 10 is given, and after that we will write 9. Then example B, 17, 16, then which number will come children? Yes, 15, 14, 13 is given, 12 and 11. Now example C, 18, 17, 16 is given, 15, 14, 13 and 12. Yes, this way we have to complete writing this question. Now you have to solve the next sum as homework. Let us move to the next question. Question number 16. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Children, we have learned ordering, that is increasing order and decreasing order, in chapter number 1. Increasing order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So basis on that, we will solve the examples. Now first one is given to us. Let us see example B. The given numbers are 16, 14, 18 and 10. The smallest number is 10. Then 14, 16 and 18. This is how we arranged them in increasing order. Next example, 12, 19, 17 and 11. Here smallest number is 11. So that we will write first. Then 12, 17 and then the last is biggest number 19. Yes, and the remaining sums you will solve as homework. Let us move to the question number 17. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Children, in decreasing order, we take the biggest number first and we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. So let us solve the example. First is given to us. Example B, numbers are 15, 14, 12 and 10. So let us start from the biggest number, which is 15 and 14, 12 and 10. Next example, 11, 18, 14 and 20. And we will arrange it in decreasing order as 20, 18, 14 and 11. Yes. Now remaining questions you will solve as homework. Let us move to the next question. Question number 18. Write true or false. Children, here few numbers with less than or more than sign are given. We have to see the correct order of the numbers, signs in between them, and then we have to write whether they are true or false. First question is already given. Let us see example B. Here the given statement is 10 is less than 13 is less than 17 and it is less than 18. Is this correct, children? Yes, the order of the numbers and the signs is correct. Hence, we will write true in the box. Next question, 15 is less than 14, is less than 11, is less than 10, which is given. But is this correct, children? No, 15 is not less than 14. 15 is more than 14. Same way, 14 is more than 11, 11 is more than 10. So here, signs should have been more than sign. But given signs are less than signs. So this is false statement. We will write it in the box. Let's move ahead, children. Same way we have to solve this example. Put the correct sign more than or less than to show the order. Let us read the first question. 110 3 ones dash 110 1 1 dash 110 dash 7 ones. Here, children, let's see. One 10 3 ones means number 13. 110 1 1 means number 10. I am sorry, number 11. 110 means number 10 and 7 ones means number 7. Children, here 13 is more than 11, 11 is more than 10, 10 is more than 7. So, how we will give the signs? Yes, we will put more than signs in the boxes. Let's see the next question. Here, 110 2 ones means number 12. Dash 110 5 ones means number 15. Dash 110 7 ones means number 17. Dash 2 tens means number 20. Here 12 is less than 15. 15 is less than 17. 17 is less than 20. Hence, we will give less than signs in the boxes. Have you understood this, children? Yes. Let us move ahead. How much do you know? Now, basis on all the concepts we have learned, we will solve further questions. In these, question number 1 is homework for you. Let us see question number 2. Fill in the boxes. First, 18 equals to dash 10 plus dash ones. What is the answer, children? Yes, 110 plus 8 ones. Next, dash equals to 110 plus 4 ones. What is 110 plus 4 ones, children? Yes, number 14. We have to write it in the blank box. Next, see. 19 equals to dash 10 plus dash ones. What will be the answer? Yes, 110 plus 9 ones. Next. Put the correct, question number 3, put the correct sign more than, less than or equals to in the boxes. Now let us read and solve. First, 10 dash 13. 10 is less than 13. So put less than sign. Next, 20 dash 12. 20 is more than 12. Next, 16 dash 14. 16 is more than 14. Next, 15 dash 15. 15 is equal to 15, so put equal to sign. Next, 18 dash 19. 18 is less than 19. Next, 17-6. 17 is more than 6. Next, question number 4. Write the number that comes before, after or in between. Now here, question 1, dash 12. Number 11 comes before number 12. Number B, 13 dash. Number 14 comes after number 13. C, 10 dash 12. Number 11 comes between number 10 and 12. 16 dash 6. Number 17 comes after number 16. Next, dash 20. Number 19 comes before number 20. Next, 17 dash 19. Number 18 comes between number 17 and 19. Next is question number 5. Write backward counting. We have learned backward counting, children. Now let us solve the examples. First, A. It starts from number 8. So let's do the backward counting from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So write this down in the given boxes. Next, first number is 20. Let's do the backward counting. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14 and 13. Correct. Next, children, arrange the numbers in increasing order. Example 1. First, 15, 17, 16, 8. Let us arrange it in increasing order as 8, 15, 16, 17. Example B. 8, 20, 14, 18 are the given numbers. We will arrange it in increasing order as 8, 14, 18, 20. Next, C. 11, 5, 0, 13. We'll arrange it as 0, 5, 11 and 13. Next, question number 7. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. First question, 20, 12, 15, 11. We will arrange it in decreasing order as 20, 15, 12, 11. Next question, 8, 12, 18 and 9. We will arrange it as 18, 12, 9 and 8 in decreasing order. Next, 7, 16, 10 and 13. We will arrange it as 16, 13, 10 and 7 in decreasing order. Let us see this question. Some NCERT textbook question. Question number 1. Make a group of 10 and write numbers. Children, here is a small activity. First, in first box we see few lanterns. Yes. So, few lamps we see. So, we will make a group of 10 lamps first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hence, we will make a group of 10 lamps here. And how many lamps left? 5. So, we see it as 1, 10, 5 ones. We will write it as 1, 10, 5 ones. That is 15. In the next picture, we see bowls. Now, let us make a group of 10 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. And how many bowls remain? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls left. Hence, we will write it as 1, 10, 9 ones. That is 19 balls. Let us move ahead. Yes. Take the group with more objects. Here, in the first picture, we see balls in 2 different boxes. In the first picture, there are 15 balls. And in the second picture, there are 11 balls. So, which group has more balls? Yes, first group. So, let us tick in the box. Next picture, we see mangoes. In the first box, there are 17 mangoes. Next box, there are 19 mangoes. So, we have more mangoes in second box. So, we will tick it in this. Okay children, we have completed writing the questions of lesson number 6. Thank you. Bye bye.